Hello, and welcome back to another edition of Carrie's Gardening Channel. So, we're in the second greenhouse here, and this is one of my Ranunculus containers back here, and you can see that it's dry. So, we're going to get this watered here. One thing when you're growing Ranunculus, you want to make sure that you do not overwater them. Now, this is in a shallower container. It's about 4 or 5 plants in this container here, and I'm just going over and I'm giving it water till it runs out the bottom. So that's enough water for it. It's running out the bottom, and you want to make sure that you don't overwater these. They don't like what you call wet feet. So what we do is when the soil looks dry, we go ahead and we give it some water. If it still looks moist, like this one here, or like this one back here, we do not water them. So what we did this year is we picked shallower containers. Like you can see this container here, it's not very deep at all. So this is what our Ranunculus are planted in. We do recycling, so we get the containers and we clean them all up, and it's starting to rain, and then we go ahead and plant our stuff in them. So this is what the Ranunculus are planted in. They're saying it's about a 12-inch container, but it's more shallow, and it seems to work very well for them. And we're finding that that's working a lot better for us, for our Ranunculus crop. And we're finding that we're not having issues with the corms rotting, or with like root rot or anything like that. And we're making sure like we're letting the soil dry out some before we water it, and we're not overwatering them, because that's a big thing. If you want this crop, you cannot overwater it. I'm stressing that because we had some before in previous years that were accidentally overwatered and we lost them. So we're finding the shallower containers, really watching and only watering when they're dry is working for us. So we did have some of these bloom earlier, and we have some blooms coming on some of the other ones. So I hope that you found this video helpful. I do have videos on my channel, and I'll put them at the end here for how to actually start your Ranunculus off, how to grow them from seed, how to save the corms. I'll have all that at the end of this video. Please don't forget to check out the community tab on my YouTube channel page. I've been posting different things on there, so that's another way that you can find out what's going on and how to connect. So if you like my video, please like, comment, subscribe. Please don't forget to hit the little notification button. That'll tell us to put a new video on. Also follow me on Twitter. I'll have a link down in the description for my Twitter account. Thank you for watching, and I hope you have a nice day. Bye!